ladder climb steps are made out of a high density foam that is very durable, will last you a long time, and is very comfortable for children to climb on. Sometimes in ladder climbs that you receive, the foam inside the ladder climb steps is actually pool noodle foam, and while at first use this does work well, over time they do wear down, they will start to shrink and get soft, and they don't become very usable after a while. So instead of replacing the inside with PVC pipe, which can be uncomfortable to walk on and is very stiff, you can replace it with these high density foam steps because they are very tough and durable. They're also hard, so you can step on them easily, but they're much more comfortable than PVC pipe. You can purchase them individually or as many as you need, and they come in two different sizes, being 12 inches long and 18 inches long. And you can hand stitch these yourself onto the ladder climb so that you never have to take the ladder climb into a facility to get repaired. If you have particular needs, however, or you need an entire new blanket created, we can do that at our facility by either sending the ladder climb blanket to us or giving us the dimensions and measurements. We can make one completely from scratch and send it to you without you ever coming to our facility. So be sure to go to our website and click on the live chat, call us or contact us, and get a free quote on getting a new climb blanket created or a repair conducted for you. We do also have a video showing you how to install these steps yourself on our website.